I'm starting off with clean and damp hair. So this is basically what my hair looks like without any product. If it looks soft at all, it's because I deep conditioned. So don't skip that step. First, we go in with the Amla and Olive Heavy Cream. This is a moisturizer that softens and moisturizes very dry and coarse hair. It smells so good, guys. I start off with a dime size on a medium section of my hair and apply from root to tip. I also detangle during this step. Next, I go in with the Castor and Amla Nourishing Pomade. A little goes a long way, so I take a pea size and smooth it down my hair. This locks the moisture from the water and moisturizer in. See how the white residue kind of just like disappears? So everything is basically just locking in perfectly. Once that's done, I start twisting my hair. Nothing intricate about this part, so just twist like normal. To do the Bantu knot, I use both hands. One to hold down the center and the other to twirl and wrap. You basically go through the motion of twirling and wrapping each twist under the last until the last strand disappears. When it's all done, it should look like tires stacked on top of each other, just like this. Once done, allow it to dry overnight, and if 24 hours is not enough, you have to wait a little bit longer. It needs to be completely dry in order to get your desired style. Once dry, I just go through the process of taking it out. Nothing special really about it, because once it's been done correctly, I don't think you can really disrupt the curls too much. So I just basically unravel. Look at those curls, guys. It's so pretty and it's juicy, and my hair is really, really soft. You can tell it's well conditioned. And look at the shine. I love how the combination of the two products have just totally transformed my hair. It is so moisturized, guys. I wish you can just feel and touch what I'm feeling right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions below. I'd be happy to give you my 2 cents. Thank you.